Tired of store-bought cucumbers that lack freshness? Want to grow your own juicy organic cucumbers at home? No farm needed? Stay tuned because today I'll show you the simplest way to grow cucumbers successfully in your backyard, balcony, or even containers. Cucumbers are one of the easiest and most rewarding vegetables to grow. With the right technique, you can enjoy a continuous harvest all season long. In this video, I'll cover best soil mix for cucumbers, step-by-step planting guide, pro tips for higher yield, and common mistakes to avoid. Stick around till the end for a secret trick that can double your cucumber harvest. Not all cucumbers are the same. Choose between slicing cucumbers, perfect for fresh eating, pickling cucumbers, smaller and crispier, and bush varieties, great for small spaces or containers. Pick disease-resistant seeds for an easier growing experience. Cucumbers love loose, well-draining soil. Use a mix of 50% garden soil, 30% compost to boost nutrients, and 20% coco coir or sand to improve drainage. Container gardening? No problem. A 5-gallon pot per plant is perfect. Step 3. Planting and germination. Plant in a sunny spot. Cucumbers need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. For direct sowing, plant seeds half an inch deep and 12 inches apart. If you're transplanting, start seeds indoors, then move them after 2 to 3 weeks. Oh, and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Step 4. Watering and fertilizing for maximum growth. Cucumbers are thirsty plants, so water deeply 2 to 3 times a week. For faster growth, use banana peel tea to boost potassium, an Epsom salt solution to encourage flowering, and compost tea for nutrient-rich feeding. Pro tip: water at the base in the morning to prevent fungal diseases. Step 5. Training and support. Don't let cucumbers sprawl everywhere. Use a trellis. Vertical growth means better airflow and healthier cucumbers. Tie vines loosely with garden twine to guide them upwards. Step 6. Preventing pests and common problems. So, what are the common cucumber problems? Here's how to fix them. Yellow leaves? Add nitrogen-rich fertilizer. Bitter cucumbers? Water consistently and pick early. Powdery mildew? Spray a mix of water and baking soda and avoid overcrowding. Good spacing keeps plants healthy. Step 7. Harvesting for continuous yield. Cucumbers are ready in 50 to 70 days. Pick them when they are 6 to 8 inches long for the best taste. Harvest regularly. The more you pick, the more they grow. Here's a secret tip for doubling the harvest. Prune the first 4 to 5 side shoots. This forces energy into producing more flowers and cucumbers. Now you're ready to grow a massive cucumber harvest at home. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening secrets. Comment below. What's your favorite cucumber variety? Share this video with a friend who wants to start gardening. See you in the next video. Happy gardening.